Wait a minute. How did I put it there? I don't even know where my original portafilter is. I'm gonna show you how to build it yourself. If you have a blind basket and you live close to a Home Depot, this job is less than an hour. Let's go down the rabbit hole.
I heard it from a friend who heard it from a friend who heard it from another. You've been messing around. They say you got a boyfriend, you're out late every weekend. They're talking about you and it's bringing me down. But I know the neighborhood, it talks cheap when story is good, and the tales grow taller on down the line. But I'm telling you, babe, I don't think it's true, babe. And even if it is, keep this in mind. You take it on the road, baby. If that's the way you want it, baby, then I don't want you alone. I don't believe it, not for a minute. You're under the gun till you take it on the road. You're thinking of your white lies. You're pulling on your bedroom eyes. You're coming home, but you won't say when. But I can feel it coming. If you leave tonight, keep running, and you need never look back again. You take it on the road, baby. If that's the way you want it, baby, then I don't want you alone. I don't believe it, not for a minute.
There you have it, guys. You got yourself a blind basket with a pressure gauge. You can still do your back flushes, but I have to say it did require some fabrication because that bolt that creates the seal between the blind basket and the pressure gauge is a little bit longer. And then with some Teflon tape, we got the seal done. I hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Dule Rabbit. Keep tinkering, and I'll see you in the next one.